Alright you guys, so this is the newest product that I launched on wavymerch.com. This is the brush rack. Oh wow, this is beautiful, as you can see. Yeah, it comes with 2 brushes. These ones are sold out. The only way you can get the Alaska Ice is if you buy the brush rack. And it also comes with the Inferno. It has enough for 2 brushes, so we could just come here and lock it. And then it also has the hooks on the back, so you don't really gotta do anything too crazy. You just gotta have some nails in the wall, hang it up, and there you go. You got your brush rack. So check out www.wavymerch.com and make sure you use the coupon code YouTubeFam for 10% off if you guys are interested. So let me know how you guys think this looks. Like, I think this looks sick because it's not really out in the wave game like that. And I know when I got mine, I loved it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video, and I know I've been gone for a long time, but that does not mean I'm not brushing, okay? Best believe I've been brushing. Now, the last time you guys seen me, I got a 2 with the grain from Solo Cuts, and usually when I get my haircuts, I go 4 against the grain. And by the way, I got my hair cut, I think it was June 5th, and today, it's been like 2 weeks after that, so I usually go against the grain, but we went with the grain this time because my waves were a little more defined at the time, and we decided to just go for a little trim. So this is 2 weeks after my fresh cut. I know I was gonna do a video right after, but I just didn't, you know. Now we're 2 weeks in, and I'm gonna give you guys an update of how they look, what we're using. We got the Wavy Merch Inferno Alaska Ice. The Alaska is sold out, okay? By the way, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's supporting. I hope you guys are enjoying the brushes, but these ones are all sold out, but we have the Infernos left, so make sure you guys go to www.wavymerch.com and pick those up while they're still available. So I combed my hair. I did a shower brush session today, and I didn't rag up or anything. I just simply brushed my hair until it was dry, and then I combed. And as you can see with my waves, like, they're pretty deep. You can see that you can see the bumps now, how it's actually surfing, and the progress pretty much. Like, it's slowly coming together, slowly but surely. Every time I do videos, like, I see progress, and that's all that matters. Slow progress is better than no progress. So I'm gonna give you guys a brush session right now. We're gonna start with the Alaska, then we're gonna finish off with the Inferno, and let's get into it. So to give you guys a quick update on the brushing, I haven't really done anything differently except for vertical brushing. Now, vertical brushing, I've been able to see instant results. Like this fork right here. If you guys remember, this fork here used to be pretty drastic, and it's not drastic anymore. Like, it's still there, you can still see it, but being able to brush vertically, I'm able to hit exactly what I want to hit. And these brushes, they're made for vertical brushing, as you can see. So I've been vertical brushing a lot more, and I realize it's easier to find my crown when I'm vertical brushing. So when I'm out in public, I can vertical brush, and I feel confident that my brush strokes aren't messing things up. My hair looks kind of dry. That's because I don't use products, as you guys know. I'm currently not using any products, so I could use a little moisturizer, I'm not gonna lie. But the reason why I don't do it is because I'm very active. Like, every day I'm in the gym, and I don't want to have to put cream in my hair every day. Even though I could, it wouldn't really be a problem. But yeah, vertical brushing definitely changed everything. Because I remember at first, I was vertical brushing, but I didn't have waves at the time. I didn't have a set pattern. But look, I'm vertical brushing, and I'm getting straight in my crown, and I'm being able to be more precise. Because if you have to go wide, a lot of surface area is getting covered, but sometimes you don't need to cover so much. So vertical brushing, as you can see, like, I'm just going straight from the crown all the way down, and then I've been hitting it like this. I've been focusing a lot more on my weak spots, which is my back. You can see my back is getting better compared to how it was before. And like, it just takes time. Sometimes you need to hit things differently just to see results. Change things up a little bit. So vertical brushing has helped me. And that's probably like the main thing. My left side needs to get a bit tighter. I need to vertical brush this part right here. Like vertical brushing, and sometimes when you have to switch your brushing pattern, it feels uncomfortable at first. But you just have to fight through the uncomfort until it feels comfortable, and then it's gonna be beneficial to you. Because we're so used to brushing a certain way that it feels like it's not effective when we're doing it, but it really is effective. You just need to train your body and your hands for that motion. So something I realize is when I'm hitting this, I don't want to stop. You know, I'm just kind of stopping. I need to push it all the way through to really get up in there. And I'm happy with my progress. I've started my waves February 13th. Today is June 20th, I think. So it's been about 4 months. And for 4 months, I'm definitely happy with my results, that's for sure. The only brushes I've used, Wavy merch. You guys already know that. So a lot of people, they're saying, yo, how is this guy an elite waver? His waves aren't even elite. Little do they know, I've only been waving for 4 months. So, give me a little bit of time, bro. You know? I've never made progress this fast before. One thing I really want to start working on though is my back. I feel like once my back is fixed, I'm going to slowly switch over to the crown on the top areas and focus on that. But for now, I think this is my weakest part. My weakest spot. So let me switch brushes real quick. That was the Alaska Ice. These are sold out, but the only way you can get those is if you buy the brush rack. And the brush rack, I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, it's gonna come with the rack and both brushes, okay? So right now, going to the Wavy Merch Inferno. And the thing I like about this brush is that it literally lays your hair down. And you can see a shine. Like my hair doesn't even really look dry anymore. It looks like it has a shine to it. That's because both of these bristles have natural boar bristles. So it's just spreading around the natural oils. The left side, I've been working on it a lot more. That's just with vertical brushing. And also, I hit it on an angle like this. So if I hit with my left hand, I try and curve my brush. And I hit it like that. And you can see it kind of hits the angle that needs to get hit. But ultimately, I vertical brush this side a lot more. That fixes a lot of my issues. A lot of other brushes you can't vertically brush with. Like I never really used to vertical brush because just the other brushes that I've used in my past, they weren't made for that. They didn't have the functionality to vertical brush and horizontal brush. With these, I can vertical brush and horizontal brush. So yeah, we got everything laid down. Like if my suggestion is just get in the mirror and look at your hair. So if you look at my hair right now, you'll see some weak spots. I'll show you them right now. Right here and right here. So you need to make sure when you're in the mirror looking at what you're doing, you need to find a brush stroke that's gonna hit exactly that weak spot. So to hit that weak spot is right here. Maybe more so right here. So if I brush that straight down to my line right here, I need to hit this. So I'm gonna go walk around my house and I'm just gonna hit this exact same motion. I'm gonna try and memorize exactly how I'm hitting it. So I'm feeling this in my crown right now, and I'm bringing it right down to the edge right here. There we go, right there. More so on the side. And then I'll just try and memorize it. So when I'm out in public, I don't need to have a mirror to hit my fork because I already trained my hand to hit that motion. And another example is, well, this part right here, I just don't think I was brushing it enough. So I needed to get right up in there. And instead of like brushing one side and then switching over and then switching over, try and be consistent. So I'm gonna come right here. I'm just gonna hit this. I'm not moving my brush anywhere else. I'm just hitting a specific part. And I feel that these brushes are better used vertically brushing, to be honest with you. Don't get me wrong, going horizontal is great. You can cover a wide area of your head, but I just feel like when I hit it like this, the bristles are more firm. I'm able to get right into the crown. It just feels better. So, these ones are still in stock, the Inferno. I still have those. So if you guys want, make sure you guys go to www.wavymerch.com and use the coupon code YouTube fam, okay? 10% off. Just giving y'all a brush session, a little update. Let me try and, there we go. Gotta hit it like this, right here, right there. But we in there. Y'all can see the waves. 4 months of waving. And the progress is still happening. I'm still making progress. So then I'll rag up, and then that's basically, I do that pretty much every day. But mirror brushing is key, okay? So I hope you guys learned something in this video. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I hope y'all are brushing with me. Hit me up on IG, like I'm always on IG. I know I don't upload as much YouTube videos as I used to, but I am gonna start that up again. So make sure your notifications are turned on. But yeah, I don't wanna keep you guys here too long. As you guys can see, I'm still making progress because I'm still brushing. I'm still putting in that work. I'm gonna get a cut maybe in 2 weeks or maybe a week, and then we'll see how things go. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.